Disruptive Teaching. Today we are going to talk about another Chrome extension. So in order to get to this Chrome extension and add it, just like always, you're going to go to the App Store and click on Chrome Web Store. From the Chrome Web Store, this time we are going to search an extension called Note Anywhere. When you click on it, it's going to look like this. You're going to click Add to Chrome. Once it's added, it's going to be this little yellow dot or little yellow square up on the upper right-hand corner. It is going to look very much like a Post-it note. In fact, it's very much going to work like a Post-it note. So if I want to add a note to this frog page, I'm going to simply click on it. From here, I can drag it around wherever I want it. I can write a note here about anything that I would like, and it's going to stay on this page. What's really cool about Note Anywhere is if I close this page and I go back to it, you are going to see that that note or little postie is going to come back up. So in this way, you can leave notes for yourself on any web page. Your students can do the same thing for themselves on web pages. It's a great way to take some notes. They then can be copied and pasted into other browsers if that is needed. That is Note Anywhere. Thanks for watching.